Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in 2017 Ford F150 only way. Start with the truck on level ground and the engine warm but not hot. Check your owner manual for the specified oil grade and capacity, and buy the correct filter before you begin. Have a clean workspace, plenty of rags, and a magnetic tray for bolts. Work deliberately, label parts, and keep oil away from drains and vegetation. Confirm oil capacity and filter compatibility before starting so you avoid wasted trips and wrong parts. Lay out tools in order of use and keep a clipboard or phone to note torque values and oil amount. Wear gloves and eye protection, and place cardboard to protect surfaces from spills. Position the drain pan, loosen the fill cap for faster draining, and maintain good lighting to spot leaks during the job. Start by warming the engine a few minutes, then secure the truck with the parking brake and jack stands. Remove the drain plug, let oil fully drain into the pan, swap the crush washer, and hand tighten the plug to specification. Replace the oil filter, add oil through the fill neck to the specified capacity, run the engine to circulate, check for leaks, and verify level on the dipstick when warm. Dispose of used oil properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.